everyone, this is Gabrielle, and in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to use the View My Relationship feature. First, you'll need to sign into FamilySearch, and once you do so, your name will come up in the right hand corner. For this tutorial, I have chosen my ancestor Maurice F. Groff, and I have gone to his profile. So over here on the right hand side is the View My Relationship feature. This is great because sometimes you just get lost down a rabbit hole and you don't really know how you're related to the person that you're working on. So this is great. So you just click on it and it pulls up all of the information. So it says the name and then it tells you how they are related to you right here. So this is my second great-grandfather. Then it shows you the line that it follows. So it goes to my mom, then my grandmother, my grandmother's father, and then my grandmother's father's father. So, and then over here on this side, on this little I, it says Family Tree can trace your relationship to an ancestor up to 15 generations. It will show a path based on the accuracy of the data in Family Tree. And so that is how you use the View My Relationship feature. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments and I will get back to you. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bye.